The source even calls forgetting a virtue, a middle ground between too much and too little memory. And guess what? This applies not just to humans, but to AI as well.
Yep. When scientists tried to build AI that mimics the human brain, they realized something surprising. In order to function well, AI needs to forget too.
For example, DeepMind had to train its systems to forget what was predictable and focus on only what was new or surprising, just like our brains do.
Then the episode shifts into politics, how governments manage collective memory. It's not just individuals who forget, entire societies are taught what to forget.
Think post-World War II Europe, or France's Vichy syndrome, where certain uncomfortable truths were deliberately buried.
But like Rousseau said, the past never passes. You can't erase an event unless everyone who experienced it forgets, and that's nearly impossible.
That's why in the 1970s, movements arose to remember what had been pushed aside, because memory, too, is a form of justice.
Some countries tried alternatives, like truth and reconciliation commissions. These offer a kind of closure, a point from which forgetting becomes possible because remembering was allowed.
So the final takeaway? Forgetting can be a blessing, but only if we choose to forget, not when it's forced on us.
We forget best when we've acknowledged, processed, and shared what happened. Only then does forgetting set us free.
Thanks for joining us on The Key to Forgetting. We hope this gave you a whole new lens on memory.
Be sure to follow the podcast and check out the sources linked in the show notes. Until next time.